Hello friends, today I am going to show you TP-Link Deco whole home mesh Wi-Fi system. So as you can see here, this is the Deco device and it is already mentioned here Wi-Fi dead zone killer, and each Deco can support up to 100 devices. Enhanced dual band speeds, full gigabit Ethernet ports, and it can cover up to 3,800 square feet, ideally for 2 bedroom or 4 bedroom house depending on your structure of the house. Why wait, my friends? Let's check out what we get in the box. First of all, we'll check the configurations here. As you can see here, it is mentioned here, it is wireless 300 Mbps on 2.4 GHz, 867 Mbps on 5 GHz. Mesh protocol is KVR. MIMO support, quality of services, access point mode, guest network, and others, as you can see here. So in the box we get 2 Deco devices, one RJ Ethernet cable, and 2 power adapters and quick installation guide, and how it is set up using the Deco app. So I'll show you how to set up on the second part of this video. As always, we will first unbox this and check out what inside. So my friends, with the box it comes of 365, not, it's 3 years of warranty, and behind the box it's totally sealed as I bought from Amazon. So it cost me around 7,999 if you are having a good deal, or else it cost around 8,999. So basically, my friends, it depends on the time and deal what you get. So let's get this out, let's tear it apart. Okay, I've done a lot of TP-Link router videos, but this is the biggest box I have ever seen. I think the box contents will be also big. Let's see. So here we go. So this is what we get inside here. A white box. Inside here we will be opening in this way. Let me focus the part. So as you can see here, we are getting 2 routers here. This, let's take out one. Okay, it is quite stuck in here. This is one of the router here. As you can see, this is the first one. It is quite light as compared to how it looks. Keep it aside. We get another router here. Okay, TP-Link, and if you compare with Netgear, then we can make anyone as the router. It is not mandatory that one of is the router and another one is the satellite. That is the difference between the Netgear and TP-Link whole home Wi-Fi's. Inside here we get the power cables. The same thing will be in this box too. And as it was mentioned, a quick installation guide. And also I like this good. This is a flat Ethernet cable. It looks really nice and cool. And nothing else in the box. Let's open this up too. I think it will open from here. So as you can see, this is quite big here. We get 2 Ethernet ports here. These are 2 the gigabit Ethernet ports as it was mentioned there. The router itself is quite light, it's not that heavy. We open another one. The same thing here, as you can see here. There is the power port here and 2 gigabit Ethernet ports. So you can use this as a Wi-Fi backhaul to connect it by Ethernet rather than connecting the both as a Wi-Fi. But it can also work at individual internet provider also. So that's all, my friends. This is what we get inside the box. As you can see here, the 2 TP-Link Deco home Wi-Fi system, and this is a M4 model. The only difference between the M4 and E4 is that this supports gigabit internet connections and E4 supports only 100 Mbps. And also the processor and RAM has a slight difference because I have checked out E4 and M4 has a slight performance difference. So if you are having a very slow internet speed less than 100 Mbps, then you will not feel anything. But if you are getting a very high internet speed and you are using a fiber, then you should go for the M4. M4 2-pack cost 8,999 and M4 3-pack costs you around 12,000 to 13,000. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and like this video. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section below. And do check out the part 2 of this video where we'll be discussing how to set it up. Bye bye.